Very good morning, class students. Our running topic is surface area and value. So today I am going to explain some more questions from 10.3 exercise. So today's class is very important. Here one question there, from a circle. Solution. Here one circle there. From a circle of radius 15 centimeters. What is the radius of the circle? 15 centimeters. Radius of that circle is 15 centimeters. A sector with angle 260 degrees. Here one sector with angle 216 degrees. Cut out. So from the circle one sector removed with angle 216 degrees. With angle 216 degrees. Here what is the first one circle there? Radius of the circle is nothing but 15 centimeters. So from this one sector with an angle of 216 degrees cut and removed from the circle. So like this. Here one sector removed from the circle. And its bonding radii are bent. Okay, now for example, first of all, radius of sector is equal to 15 centimeters. Radius of sector is equal to 15 centimeters. Now I need length of an arc. Here what is there? An arc there. I need the length of an arc. Length of an arc. What is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So to find the length of an arc of a sector, theta by 360 into pi r square. What is the meaning of the theta? Required and given angle is equal to 216 by 360 into 22 by 7 into. What is the value of the radius here? 15. So what we can write here? 15 2 pi r. Sorry. Length of an arc formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So theta means 216 given angle. Then after 360 into r means 15. 2 pi r. Now cancellations any? 15 ones are 15. 15 ones are 15. Then after, see here. 15 twos and 15 fours are. Next 2 ones are 2 12 are. Next 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. What is remaining? 9 remaining. 96. 12 eights are 96. Is nothing but 18 into 22. 18 into 22. Now you have to multiply this 18 and 22 by 7. By 7. So multiplying the 18 and 22, what you will get here? Okay, let it say. Length of an arc is nothing but 18 into 22 by 7. Here, what is the question? One circle there. So from that circle, one sector removed with an angle 260 degrees. So after removing, now I need length of this arc. What is the formula to find the length of an arc of sector? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. What is the meaning of theta? Theta is nothing but given angle. And after finding this, what I got here? 18 into 22 by 7. So like this sector there. What did it? He bent like this to form a cone. he bent like this. So given sector, he bent like this. So here what is formed here? Cone formed. Length of an arc is nothing but perimeter of a circle. What is the base of the cone? Base of the cone is nothing but circle. So here by finding that what I got here, length of an arc is nothing but 18 into 22 by 7. From the formula I got length of an arc is equal to 18 into 22 by 7. So what he did? He bounded that sector to form a cone. He bounded that sector to form a cone. So after bounding as a cone, here length of an arc is nothing but perimeter of circle. Why? Because base of the cone is nothing but circle. So what we can write here? Length of an arc is base perimeter of cone. So after bending that sector, it form a cone. Length of an arc is nothing but perimeter of base of the cone. Perimeter of the base of the cone. Base of the cone is nothing but circle. So what is the length of arc here? 18 into 22 by 7 is equal. Base perimeter means it is perimeter of circle. 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So 18 into 22 by 7 into 2 is equal 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So 22 by 7, 22 by 7 cancelled. So finally 18 by 2 is equal to r. 2 ones are 2 nines are. R is equal to how much here? 9 centimeters. What is the value of the r? R is nothing but 19 centimeters. And after forming a cone, here radius converted as a slant height of a cone. So after forming a cone, 15 centimeters, this convert, it means radius of the circle, radius of the sector, it is nothing but slant height of a cone. Radius of the circle or radius of the sector is nothing but slant height of a cone. Radius of sector is equal to slant height of a cone. So what is the value of L is equal to 15 centimeters. Now I know the length of slant height and also I know the length of radius. What I need here? I need height of the cone. To find that L square is equal to R square plus H square. What is the value of the radius? 9 square. 15 square is equal to 9 square plus H square. Is 225 is equal to 81 plus H square. So 225 minus 81 is equal to H square. So H square is equal to 225 minus 81. So H square is equal to 144. H is equal to under root of 144 is equal to 12 centimeters. Now I know the value of radius and also I know the value of height. What I need here? I need volume of cone. I need a volume of cone. What is the formula here? Pi r square h by 3. Volume of cone is nothing but pi r square h by 3. What is the value of the pi here? 22 by 7. Into r square is nothing but 9 into 9. Into height is 12 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. 3 ones are and 3 fours are. So after the calculations, you will get 1018.3 centimeter cube. So after the calculation, you get the value of volume of cone is nothing but 1018.3 centimeter cube. Here, 9th class students, here another one important question. First, you have to understand this question. A tent is a cylindrical. A tent is a cylindrical to a height of 4.8 meters. So what is the height of the cylinder? H is equal to 4.8 meters. So height of the cylinder is nothing but 4.8 meters and a conical above it. So on the cylinder one cone, the radius of the base is 4.5 centimeters, 4.5 meters. So what is the radius here? 4.5 meters. So radius is a common to cylinder and also cone. So what is the base radius of cone is nothing but 4.5 meters and also base radius of cylinder 4.5 meters. So what is the height of the cylinder here? 4.8 meters and common base radius is 4.5 meters. Height of the tent 10 meters. So what is the total height of the tent here? 10.8 meters. Total height of the tent is nothing but 10.8 meters. See here, I know the height of the cylinder and also I know the height of the total, but here I don't know the height of the cone. Okay, now first of all, one cylinder there, height of the cylinder is 4.8 meters and base radius is 4.5 meters. So on that cylinder, one cone there. Total height of the tent is 10.8 meters. Here I don't know height of the cone. So to find the height of the cone from the total 10.8 minus 4.8, it is nothing but 6 meters. So what is the height of the cone here? 6 meters. First you have to write the measurements of cylinder and also measurements of cone. First of all, cylinder. So in cylindrical portion, what is the height of the cylinder? 4.8 meters. H is equal to 4.8 meters and also radius. It is nothing but 4.5 meters. Now measurements of cylinder is completed. Next I need the measurements of cone. Cone. What is the radius here? Same 4.5 meters. And the height of the cone is nothing but 10.8 minus 4.8 is equal to 6 meters. See here, I know the radius of the cone and also I know the height of the cone, but I don't know slant height of the cone. To find that, what is the formula? L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square is equal, R square means 4.5 whole square plus 6 square. Why? Because height of the cone is 6. So after the calculations, what do you get? 20.25 plus 36. After the calculations, what do you get here? 20.25 plus 36. It is nothing but 56.25. Then L is equal under root of 56.25. So 20.25 plus 36 is nothing but 56.25. Then L is equal under root of 56.25. So here square root of 56.25 is 7.5 centimeters. So what is the slant height here? 7.5 centimeters. See here. Once again I am repeating the question. Here one cylinder there. Height of the cylinder is 4.8 meters. And base radius is 4.5 meters. Here I know the height of the cylinder and also I know the total height of the tent. So total height of the tent is 10.8 meters. So from this height of the cone is 6 meters. Now measurements of cylinder and also measurements of cone. Here total canvas required to prepare such the tent. Curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone. What is the formula to find curved surface area of cylinder? 2 pi RH. Curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi RH. And also CSA of cone pi RL. Pi RL. So from these two we can take pi R as a common. Bracket 2H plus L. Pi value is nothing but 22 by 7. And the radius of the base is 4.5. 2 into, what is the height here? 6. height of the cone is nothing but, height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is nothing but 4.8 plus stand height 7.5. 22 by 7 into 4.5 into this 9.6 plus 7.5. 22 into 4.5 into 9.6 plus 7.5. See, 5 plus 6, 11. 9 plus 17, 16 plus 1, 17. It is 17.1 by 7. So total 22 into 4.5 into 17.1 by 7. So after the calculations you will get 241.892 842 centimeters square. So by doing the calculations you will get the value 241.842 centimeters square. So that is the required canvas, 241.842 centimeters square. So 9th class students, here is the homework on today's concept. A tent is cylindrical to a height of 6 meters. So what is the height of the cylinder? 6 meters. And a conical above. The radius of the base, common base is 3 meters. And the total height of the tent is 10 meters. Then find the required canvas to prepare the tent.